Welcome to English class. So students, answer the following question. How many seasons do we have in India? Yes, we have mainly 3 seasons. They are monsoon, summer and winter. Monsoon season is also called as rainy season. Which is your favorite season? Do you know which is the most useful season and why? Yes, of course, rainy season, because it gives us water, which is the main source of life. Because of rain, we get water. Students, do you like to learn poems? Today, we will learn a very beautiful poem. Yes, this is how rain look at night. You can listen to the sound of the rain during the night time. So now let us learn the poem Rain in the Night by Emilia Josephine. Unit 1 Rain in the Night, Standard 4th, Year 2020-2021. Let's learn the poem. Unit 1, Poem number 1. Rain in the Night. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. This is a 4 stanzas poem. Now let's learn more about this poem. In first stanza, the poet is explaining that the poem is about rain in the night time. It has been raining throughout the night, that means the whole night. It's raining sometimes loud and sometimes soft, just like a song. The sound of the rain seems like a song. We feel happy to listen the sound of rain. The poets say in this poem that the gutters will be like rivers and there will be lakes beside the roads. When it rains heavily, we all see on the roads all the rainwater got collected in the gutters and the roadside, which looks like rivers and lakes. The rising water on the road will make the lazy kitten wash his little dirty feet, as during rain all the mud and dirt got stuck to our feet. Kittens are very lazy in this poem. So, due to rain, its muddy water on the road, the kitten will clean their feet with the water of rain. In the next stanza, the poet had explained that the drops of rainwater on the flowers of roses will shine like the diamonds worn by kings and queens at court. Students, you had saw kings and queens in many stories. They wore lots of diamonds and golds and jewelries made of it. The raindrops look like same as the diamonds. However, the pansies will get muddy because they are short plants. Short plants will get muddy as all the roads muddy water will overlap on the pansies. In the last stanza, the poet wishes to sail her boat the next day in new and wonderful places. Students, you all feel happy to sail your boat on the waterlogged places or your terrace. Same way, the poet is also wishing to do it. But before that, she wants to take her watering pot and wash the faces of the pansies, as the pansies looks very beautiful. Because of rain muddy water, it becomes dirty. So students, I hope you had enjoyed the rain poem. Whenever it will rain, you all can sing this poem and have fun to sail your paper boats in the rain water. Now let's learn the meanings. The first one is gutters. Meaning is channels at the edge of a street that carry off water. You can see in the picture of gutter how it looks. The next one is pansies. Pansies are the flowers with purple, yellow or white velvety petals. The plants bearing such flowers. You can see the picture of pansies. Let's learn the new words from the poem. Gutters, lake, street, drops, diamonds, court, watering pot. Repeat with me, students. Gutters, lake, street, drops, diamonds, court, watering pot. Now let's learn the question answers from the text. Answer the following questions. The first one is, how long has it been raining? Answer, it has been raining throughout the night. Next question, what effect will the rain have on the following? First one, kitty. The lazy kitten's feet will get washed. Next, roses. The roses will have drops of water on them that looks like the diamonds that kings and queens wear. Next, pansies. The pansies will get muddy because they are short. Next question. What is the child planning to do the next day? In this poem, the child is planning to sail her boat the next day in wonderful new places. Next question. Pick out the rhyming words from the poem. Answer. The pair of rhyming words are long, song, street, feet, court, short, places, faces. Students, now just we will recall the explanation again. It has been raining throughout the night. Sometimes the rain has been loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. The poet says that the gutters will be like rivers and there will be lakes beside the roads. The rising water will make their lazy kitten wash his little dirty feet. The drops of rainwater on the roses will shine like the diamonds worn by kings and queens at court. However, the pansies will get muddy because they are short plants. The poet wishes to sail her boat the next day in new and wonderful places. But before that, she wants to take her watering pot and wash the faces of the pansies. Now it's time for a very interesting activity. There is a home assignment for you all. What you all have to do? See the home assignment. Write and learn the poem, meanings and new words 3 times in your notebook. Next question is, describe in 3 to 5 lines what happens when it rains in your surrounding. You have to observe your nearby home surrounding. What changes you see, you have to mention in this answer. What changes you see, how the animals, birds are behaving, how you feel when it rains, all these things you have to mention in this answer. Students, you have to maintain one single rough notebook for all subjects home assignment. and complete it in time as it contains marks. Bye students. Have a good day. We will meet soon for the next session.